Hi, I'm Chad Wunderlich, and at Viking Pump we take pride in our vertically integrated manufacturing process. This means we control every aspect of the manufacture of our pumps. Today let's talk about the many steps that go into manufacturing a pump. You're watching the Pump Report. The process for manufacturing a pump starts in our foundry, where a mix of raw metals is melted in a furnace. The types of metals and the amount of each is dependent on the specific metal being poured. The temperature and chemistry of the furnace is periodically checked, and when correct, it's poured into a waiting crucible. Parallel to the melt process, a sand mold is being formed. Metal from the crucible is poured in and forms the casting inside. Once it's cooled, the sand mold is broken away and out comes the metal. If we cut away the gates and risers, the excess parts from it, we get a rough casting. At this point, the castings exit the foundry and enter the machine shop. From here, the castings are machined into pump parts. Tolerancing is very important for Viking Pump because it ensures that the pumps meet flow and operate efficiently. Finished parts are then assembled into our various pump models. From there, each pump is given a quality assurance test prior to shipment. After a quick coat of Viking Blue paint, the pump is ready to ship out the door to one of our thousands of customers all over the world. After 110 years, that's now been 7 million pumps and counting. If you'd like to learn more about Viking Pump or view other pump reports, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.